Hello everyone, welcome back to another English channel. Thank you very much who are watching this channel. I hope you are learning English language through this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe it, comment it, give a like and share it to your friends and relatives. Okay, now let's go to the topic. Why should we study English language? Yes, why? The need for the study of English language has been growing day by day. Yes, that's why we need to study English language. The development of any language is governed by historical factors. However, best we have tried to forget the English language right from the formation of India as a republican country. But we are not in a position to drop it. Persian was the official language in India since the beginning of the 14th century till the British replaced it by the English. After India became independent, our people tried their best to downgrade its importance in our country. We are calling this English language in one sector as third language in the national policy for education, as window language while understanding cultural, scientific and technological developments in other countries, and as international language while visiting other countries. Yes, English is window language, global language, international language. If we want to visit other countries, we need English. If we want to understand cultural, scientific and technological developments in other countries, we need English. Today it is very difficult for us to estimate the importance of English language. Without the knowledge of English language, it is very difficult for us to exist in this highly competitive society. Yes, if you want to know the information about any department, medical department or technical department or any other department, okay, if you want to know the information, we need English because every information is available in English language. See how it's difficult for us to exist in this highly competitive society without the knowledge of English language. If we don't know the English language, how can we understand the information? Okay, wherever we go, we need English. We need to speak in English, or we need to understand English language, or we need to read English. Its importance is many-sided for all India administration, international communications, promoting international products, computer programming, etc. That's why we should study English language. Whether you are educated or uneducated, whatever it is, we should learn English language. English language is an international language. Wherever we go, we need English. Okay. Study of English literature and language is the way to improve English language. Read storybooks and study the English language. Finally, learn English language. I hope you understand this topic. If you like this video, subscribe it, comment it, give a like and share it to your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.